Hey there folks, back at you with another video. Today I want to talk about a little bit of toolbox maintenance on what I use for cleaning my toolbox. So please like and subscribe, helps the channel out a lot and don't cost nothing. Let's get past the intro, let's get into this. Alright, well today's today. We need to do a little bit of toolbox cleaning. This thing is just absolutely filthy right now. So, and these are the products I use. I start with just some regular window cleaner, and then I got a rag for that. Just spray it down, wipe it down, get all the dirt and grime off, and then after that I come back to, I use a Lucas slick mist right here. Any kind of speed wax would work. So that just makes it easier to the next time to get the dirt off, and makes the box shine up pretty good. So, and then I've got a rag for that. So I don't know if the camera picks up, but you can tell there is dirt all over. It's just pretty nasty. So, and on top of that, I've got kids, and I don't know if it picks up here on the camera. Yeah, right there. They cannot always keep their hands off my box, so we got to clean all that up. So we're gonna get that done. Like I said, the first thing I'm gonna do is spray down with this and wipe it down, get all the dust and the grime off, and then we'll come back and use this. So I'm gonna set you up on a tripod, and we'll get this thing going. All right, so here we go. Get the window cleaner here. Get that shook up real good. I just put on a thin layer. Don't need much. As you can tell, there's already a big difference in I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but you can definitely tell that that's already a lot cleaner. So, all right, we got her all cleaned off, all wiped down, all the dust and smooth, it's all gone. So now I'm going to start on the wax. So, all right, here we go, guys. Let's get you set up again. Let me adjust this a little bit. How about that? Same thing. Don't need to use a ton of this, just a little bit. That's all I do. Just a little bit. All right, we got her all done up. Look how shiny it all is. Looking really, really good now. So I do this about once a month, somewhere in there. Use a couple microfiber towels. I use one that is designated to for the wax. One is just for the cleaner. And like I said, you don't need to put a whole lot on because you need to dry it. So otherwise you'll have nothing else in streaks if you don't. So put it on super thin, stay far enough away. You know, I'd say about 3-4 foot away. Spray it on there and put it on there nice and thin, and then just start rubbing. So as you can tell, there's some good reflection. My little girl, when she comes to the shop, she'll stand right in front of this door, and when I have the music going or the radio going, she'll stand right in front of this door and start dancing, and looks at herself in the cabinet door as a mirror, and she'll look over and says, "Daddy, did you just clean your box?" Makes your heart melt, but you know, she noticed the difference. So you know, little 4-year-old, so let alone you know, a grown-up can see the difference. So yeah, just a quick overview of how I do that with my box, and it shows you can actually polish a turd, because you know, this box right here, top cabinet and the bottom, is 20 years old, and it can still come out pretty good. So yeah, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot, don't cost nothing, and we're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.